Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. আজকে আমরা কথা বলবো soccer idioms নিয়ে. So let's get started. Number 1, be on the ball. To be quick to understand or react to things. To the example দেই, if I had been on the ball this morning, I'd have better on my test. Number 2, kick something off. অর্থাৎ to begin something means কোনো কিছু শুরু করা. Like আমি যখন আমার ভিডিও শুরুতে বলি so let's get started, সেটা না বলে I can say let's kick off. Number 3, watch from the sidelines. Meaning হচ্ছে to observe a situation rather than being involved in it. For example, please don't make me do this project. I'd much rather watch this from the sideline. Number 4, move the goalposts. To unfairly change rules or conditions to make something harder. অর্থাৎ আপনি হুট করে বা অন্যায়ভাবে কোনো কিছু পরিবর্তন করছেন জিনিসটাকে আরো কঠোর করার জন্য। For example, the company never plays fair. They're always moving the goalposts. Number 5, take one's eye off the ball. To fail to keep someone's attention on the current situation. অর্থাৎ focus রাখা মানে concentration. For example, the key to being a successful business person is to never take your eyes off the ball. Number 6, take sides. অর্থাৎ to support one person but not the other person in a fight or a dispute. For example, whenever my friends argue, I try not to take sides. It usually makes things worse. And finally, be out of someone's league. To not be good enough because of wealth, looks, quality. That man is way out of my league. He's a businessman and his family is rich. Alright, that's all. I hope you learned something. Thank you very much for joining, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.